Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the cabin owner's dream right here. This is the all-new Wolverine 4-seater. We've installed a bunch of accessories on it, and I wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about what we've done. The Yamaha Wolverine 4-seater, we're in the second model year of it, and they have been phenomenal for us. Some of the highlights of this machine: it's the quietest side-by-side on the market. They've figured out a way to get the heat and the noise out of the cab. It's our #1 seller. I'm going to show you why, mainly because of noise. But on this machine, we've installed the full Yamaha cab kit. This cab kit is the best cab kit on the market for a lot of reasons. One, it seals up really nice and tight. You also have the sliding windows, lockable on all 4 doors. The doors are going to open up really nice. You can see that there's a very strong, durable gasket to keep all those elements out of the cab. The back door is going to open up this way. Very nice, opens up very wide. You can take and pull the windows back on both the front and the rear. On the front here, you're just going to simply grab onto this latch, and you'll be able to slide that window to create some airflow, or if it's covered in mud, you can pull it back out of the way. Just take and slide that forward and it'll lock into position on its own. Also on this machine, from inside the cab, you have an adjustable driver's seat. You can slide it forward or backward. We've also installed a cab heater kit on this one that includes defrost. You've got low, off, and high settings. It'll heat up the cab really nice. It is tied into the coolant system, so as you continue to drive the machine, the heater will heat up. Also on this machine, you have the windshield wiper kit with washer fluid. So if you're out there playing in the mud or the snow, it gets covered, hit that windshield wiper, get the debris out of the way. Around here to the front, I just wanted to point out that this is automotive style glass on this windshield. It's not going to scratch. It's very durable. The windshield wiper covers a really big portion of the vehicle, and with a low and a high setting on the windshield wiper, you can get that debris out of the way very quickly. Around the back side of the machine, the back window is also automotive glass. This is also lockable, so with this cab kit, you guys could be out for a ride, pull over and want to go for a hike, and completely keep your valuables inside, fully locking it up. Take these knobs, turn them to be out, and the back window will go up on gas struts, so it's up out of the way. Tailgate opens up nicely as well. One of the cool things about the Wolverine 4-seater is the seats in the back can actually slide forward. You can create an additional room. I'll show you if you want to swing around this way. On the inside of the cab, you can take the bottom seat cushion, fold it up, and then take this back portion and slide it forward. If you want to come around to the back side here, you can see that it'll create additional bed space. Maybe there's just 3 of you out there, or maybe you even need the whole room. You can slide this seat forward as well. They've also put a really good thought into it. You can take and fold those seat belts out of the way, giving you a nice flat surface. Some other additional features on this machine are the Camso track kit. What we like about the Camso kit is it's all weather, meaning you can unload this machine on the asphalt. You can then drive it on the dirt, the mud, the slush, the snow. We've been installing these Camso kits for a long time, and they do a great job year after year, no issues. Very, very highly recommended for track kits. Best kit out there. One thing that we will want to note on the Wolverine 4-seater, you will need to install a lift kit on there in order for the track kit to fit. Couple last facts before we head off. Yamaha now includes a 10-year belt warranty on all of their 2019 product going forward. Also a 20-year, 5,000 hour, 100,000 mile lubrication warranty on the engine. Yes, you heard that correct. 20-year, 5,000 hour, 100,000 mile lubrication warranty on the engine. All you need to do is use Yamaha product for that warranty. If you have any questions or need any help, give us a call here at Big Pine Sports, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com.